Within a family, each individual has a relationship with each other person in the family. The more people you have, the more complicated it's going to get. So let's look at these interrelationships. And we're going to start with the relationship of the couple, assuming there is a couple, the couple who head the household, their relationship, and how it affects the family as a whole. Well, the relationship of that couple actually defines the quality and atmosphere of family life. The way they feel and toward each other, the way they treat each other, sort of sets the whole atmosphere, the whole mood of how the family is going to operate in real time. So there's this notion of marital satisfaction. And research tells us that marital satisfaction is at its lowest point when there are children and they're at their very youngest ages. And if you're not sure why that might be, you can either use your imagination or go do some research and some supplemental reading to find out why in the world would marital satisfaction be lowest when young children are present. Then, on top of all that going on, there's the relationship among the siblings. It has to do with things like how attached do they feel toward each other. What kinds of sibling rivalry can show up in different patterns? Whether it's, the oldest child is a girl or a boy, does that matter? What does it mean to be a middle child? What does it mean to be the baby of the family? Does it actually influence anything that's lifelong? What does research tell us? You'll have to do some extra reading on that because that gets much more involved. But sibling relations are important. And sibling relations are influenced by culture because in some cultures, certain things are expected of siblings, especially the older siblings. Certain things are expected, like it or not. This is just the way we do things. And so in this society and in this family, yes, these are the kinds of expectations that are set on you, being the oldest or older children, toward your younger siblings. So you can see that it's a complex thing with the couple having its relationship with its ups and downs, and then the siblings, as they come about one after another, they also start having relationships not just with the parents, but with each other. And it brings up many, many complexities, and as I say, culturally influenced. So again, here's a place to do some supplemental reading to see what research has learned about culture and about birth order and those kinds of topics, and familiarize yourself with some of the research that has been done and documented. And that should get you ready for quizzes later on.